We're back with another tech project, and now we're working with sensors. First, we started off with a base of a temperature sensor and a pressure sensor, but then the project itself is to build onto that. And what I chose for my project was to put a distance sensor. It works by sending out an infrared radiation that then hits an object, and the time it takes to then hit the object and then return to the sensor, it can then calculate how far the object is. So the idea was to attach this distance sensor to a mini remotely controlled robot. This stems from a previous project where I made something similar, so all I had to do was rebuild it. This didn't come without its problems, but eventually I got everything to work.
It's alive!
But it got a little bit too close to the project's deadlines and I didn't have any more time, so I ended up rewiring the sensors to make it sit better, and then I started editing this video that I need to hand in soon. And this had a lot of potential. This is a very smaller and extremely simplified version of like some kind of remote scout robot that can be used to explore areas that we don't have access to. And finally, all the data is then compiled and presented on a website that we learned to set up. My website displays the recent temperature and pressure in a graph, and then it shows the latest distance, temperature, and pressure. And then a continuation of this project could be that the distance sensor data is then put on the website, and then eventually, with all the data, it could create a blueprint or a map of the area it explored.